Good morning out there. Yes, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm so excited to actually have time to focus on my YouTube channel right now, and I am trying to look for something that will giving you updates over and over, so it doesn't get boring. And before I go into what this channel is all about, first and foremost, I'm gonna be telling you my name, what I do. Yes, and my name is Ali Funmilayo Oluwaseyi. Okay, Ali with the double L. Oluwa Funmilayo Oluwaseyi. Yes, it's actually that name is very, very special. Yes, very special. Okay, and I am a fashion designer, I am a fashion tutor, and I'm a fashionpreneur. Yes, I am. So I am the creative director of OA Fashions and many other things that is to come. I bet you. Yeah, many things are there to come. And I'm gonna be the face behind this beautiful YouTube channel, which I name Fashion Gist with Funmi. Yes, I'm gonna give you a lot of gist about fashion. Trust me. There are many things you need to know about fashion. Some people are just into the fashion world and they don't really know what it entails. They don't even know when a beauty show is coming up. They don't even know when a fashion show is coming up. They don't even know. You know, there are some very beautiful things you need to know about. There are plenty of things you really need to know about fashion, what it entails. I could actually be a fashion person. Yeah, I've said that. So you'll be like, okay, what to wear, what not to wear. We're gonna be doing a lot of reviews, a lot of eye-opening things you cannot imagine. So tell me, wouldn't it be lovely for you to follow me on this channel? Just click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get to be notified every time I post. Yeah, trust me, I'm gonna be posting every week. I can't say how many times, but trust me, you're gonna be getting different tips every week from you. Don't forget the name I call this channel is Fashion Gist with Funmi, where you get to know everything about fashion, naming anything, and in case you need to know anything, just drop it in the comment down below, and I promise you I'm gonna make a research on it and come deliver it to you right here on this channel. It's gonna be a very sweet journey. So let's get on this journey together. And you know what? Just sit down, relax, and enjoy all the goodies that I bring to you. And I love you, and I still remain Funmi Ali. I love you. Bye.